Hi, I'm Andrea with Yarn Packin' Mama, and today we're going to be going over how to do the double crochet stitch. Now this is in US crochet terms, and it's one of the basic stitches, so let's get started. First, we're going to put a slip knot onto our hook, and then from there we're going to chain up chains, however many you like. I'm going to chain up 10 for the purposes of this tutorial. All right, now that I've got 10 chains on my hook, I'm going to work into the third chain from the hook. And this loop does not count as a stitch or a chain. So we're going to count the full chains, 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, and then we're going to yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, which will give us 4 loops on the hook. From there, we're going to draw through 2 loops, and then yarn over, draw through 2 to finish. Again, that's yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. One more time, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to finish. And now I'm just going to work to the end of the row so that I can show you what the next row will look like. Yarn overs and how many loops you pull through. All right, we're to the end of that row. So I'm going to turn my work, and then I'm going to chain up 2, 1 and 2 to give me enough space to work the following double crochets. And this chain 2 will also count as our first double crochet. So you'll want to skip this first stitch and work into the second. That way you won't increase on your row. So I've got to do 3 loops on the hook. Now I've got 4, and we draw through 2, draw through 2. And it's the same process as before. So you yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2 again to finish. It's a very simple stitch. And once you get the hang of the yarn overs, like I said before, it goes pretty quickly. All right, last stitch. And then sometimes it's kind of difficult to work into your chains, so just try your best on getting it in there. All right, so now I've got 4 rows. Let's pull the stitches apart a little bit just to fluff them up because they get a little bit compacted when you're working the fabric at first. And here's the double crochet stitch. It's twice as big as a single crochet, at least in US terms. And it works up very nicely.